Hi you guys, Alacia Love here doing a birthday sleigh install video featuring Hair Abundance Virgin Hair. Here I am bleaching the knots, you guys. It's a messy process, be careful. Make sure your bleach is at a thick paste like texture so it won't slide through the lace, honey. We don't need none of that. Here I'm going in and customizing the already customized frontal wig. I'm just doing a little more plucking to get a little more natural looking. Pluck with your own discretion when you're doing your own frontals, you guys. I am no expert. I am still learning. I am self-taught, honey. Now I am coloring the lace with my foundation in the shade 365. Maybelline Fit Me is the best foundation, honey. That's what I wear. That's what I use on my wigs. I've already cut the wig as well, as you can see. Looks good. I'm feeling it. Next, we're cleaning off any excess makeup or anything around your hairline so the glue can stick and have a smooth base. Speeding up the glue and tacky process. I'm only going to show you guys one side of my head because I didn't really have the room to do what I wanted to do on camera. The other side is already done. Here I am going in and laying the lace down. Trying to get it to lay right, you guys. I have a big head, as you can see. And here I am, just going in with the comb and melting that lace into the glue. It's a very tedious process, guys. You want it to be right, so take your time. That's what I usually do. Here's the finished product. I did some things off camera. Melted, honey, melted. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.